Hey guys, it's Susie and welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to be applying the stencil today to the real skin. I noticed real skin is slightly different. It's more difficult than what I'm used to, I guess. So with that stuff on Amazon. So I bought this. This is actually ideal for human skin. So I'm not going to be using that today. Good old deodorant. I don't have Speed Stick, but I do have this stuff, so I'm just going to use this. Now, one thing you guys want to make sure that you do, or just that I've read that you do, is wash off this the sheet of fake skin with some dish soap just to get all that crap off there, I guess. I did that, and now I'm going to be applying now this is not a how-to video, this is just how I do it. If there's any feedback or constructive criticism, please do not hesitate to let me know. That's what I'm here for. Alright, so I'm just going to apply this very generously for starters. Real skin. So they actually sent me this thing about like how to apply a stencil, and they said to put baby powder. They said put baby powder in with this and like rub it around until it's like tacky, and I don't know, that sounds very strange to me. Okay, so I have this stencil that I drew. I'm gonna just cut it up to be a little bit easier to put on the skin so that it doesn't like crinkle and all that. I don't know. I've only been doing this for a month. Maybe there's even an easier way. Yes, but so there we go. All right. Okay. Now I want to make sure that there's no like excess deodorant, I guess is what we're using. So we'll just kind of do this. And if you guys have any suggestions for like different kind of fake skins to use or whatnot, I'm always open. This stuff is not cheap. Great. So let's just go the stencil. So now I'm just going to this is just kind of what's been working for me. It's like I'm not trying to move the stencil at all, but you do want it to be obviously pressed down and transfer to the skin. Just try and push that down so I get a good lay. It's laying this stencil. Yeah. Alright. So now just make sure. And then, if it starts to bleed a little bit, it's not like the end of the world. But I'll just take that off like that. And so there you go. There you have your stencil. I'm gonna let this dry overnight. I guess what you could do is also get like a hairdryer or whatever. This is just gonna sit here overnight. It's not like this thing has to go home to bed and go to work the next day. So I can let my stencil just dry overnight here. Again, if you guys didn't see my other videos, this is actually thermal transfer paper that I ordered, so I will actually be ordering the correct stuff. Alright guys, well, thank you so much for watching this video. This is how I do my stencils, or I guess just how I apply my stencils. If you guys like what you see and you want to continue to see more of this content, please do not hesitate to subscribe. Go ahead and like this video, comment on it, give me some criticism, some advice, whatever you guys want. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, whatever time it is where you are, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.